Teledyne Technologies is involved in the creation and production of enabling technologies. The company produces a wide range of products including digital imaging sensors, broad-spectrum camera systems, monitoring and control instrumentation, aircraft information management systems, and electronic and satellite communication systems. But the last 6 months for Teledyne have not been great for the stock, which has seen an 8% decline. However, Goldman analyst Noah Poponak says that Teledyne is one of the highest quality, most consistent, best managed companies that compounds cash flow over time. As such, Poponak has boosted his ratings from neutral to buy with a $495 per share price target, and it appears that Wall Street agrees with a strong buy consensus rating. Let's take a look. And we're now taking a look at the 20-year monthly chart on Teledyne Technologies, and the symbol is TDY. For disclosure purposes, I do not hold any shares of Teledyne at this time. Now, from say 2016, that downward move there, all the way up to the recent downward move, has seen a pretty good price appreciation during that time. Now, we had a couple of other drawdowns, including this one right here, and then this one here in 2020. But let's focus on these two most recent drawdowns. Moving on down into the volume. Volume looks fine, no problems there. Now into the MACD. You can see that we had a double top in the MAC here and here, and then we went on that downdraft beginning, say, in mid-late 2021. So it's had a pretty good fall over the last 2 years or so. But the recent drawdowns, again, here is that drawdown in late 2022, and then the current drawdown. Remember that both of these drawdowns are above that zero line, so there's still enough strength in the stock. Back up to the price chart. You can see that. Look, we've had a move all the way on up here, and these two drawdowns here and here, the stock has remained relatively intact above that 50 EMA. So you can see the strength in the price chart as well as in the MAC. So back down here to the MAC. What's important is that the stock is gathering steam. Let's go into the histogram and you can see what I'm talking about. This drawdown there in 2022 was very steep, very deep. The current one is much more shallow here. So you can see the improvement occurring over, say, that year period. So even though the oscillators look like they've moved very deep in their contractions, there's a dislocation or divergence between the oscillators and the price chart. The price chart still looks pretty good. Here you can see the price rate of change. Again, the two drawdowns there and there. Things are improving. We're up to that zero line and we're going to head up further soon enough. Into the relative strength, we're at a moderate 50.00, so it's right at the midline or the 50 level, but still you can see the improvement and it's gaining some strength. You also see that there in the stochastics, pretty much the same. And then the Williams. Watch the Williams, watch it run up into that overbought territory, say in that negative 20 to 0 level. Watch that move on up. And that will pull the other oscillators as well as the price chart. Back up to the price chart. And you can see this is a very healthy chart regardless of the contractions here and here. But remember, study the fundamentals because the risk is all yours. ChewDog out.